Yo, what's up, YouTube? We're gonna pop that box. My name is Mike, and today I have a special unboxing for you. POV. Alright, YouTube, so I didn't like that last camera angle, so this is the real POV. Now let me show you what was in that Amazon box. Some card sleeves. I only bought 100 because the site I was going to order these from, they ran out. I think the re-release of these Pokemon cards caused everybody just to buy them up. And here's the Ultra Pro Titanium Series. 9 pocket pages. And of course, you need a binder to go with the pages. Alright, so let's pop this box and see what's inside. Here's the first of the 2 premium collection boxes. Marnie. And this one is a Champion's Path. It also comes with 2 pins. And all these booster packs right here. Let's move along to this next one. And now here's a Tag Team Generations Premium Collection. It also includes a full-size playmat featuring tag team illustrations. Look at all these cards. There's so many. Ooh, Charizard back there. I like that Charizard. Charizard coin. Let's go. So YouTube, are you excited as I am to open up some of these booster packs? But we're not done yet. There's one more box. So let's get the third one and find out what I got in there. Alright, so this is the last box. It's small, but it's the heaviest box of them all. That's right, I got 3 trainer boxes. Since I haven't been collecting for many years, I don't have any of these, so I got them. So YouTube, what do you think about this Pokemon TCG unboxing? Was it dope? It was dope. Can you hit the like button, please? And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe so you can see the unboxings for each one of these trainer boxes to see what's inside. I shouldn't end the video right here because this would just be a big tease right here, right? So we should pop one of them. And I've decided to pop this one because I want to see that Charizard. You know, a part of me just doesn't want to open this, but I'm doing this for you. Here it is. You have the placemat here. And big card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Code in the back. So here are the first 2 promos. Here's the oversized card. It's pretty dope. Charizard was my favorite Pokemon. I played Pokemon Red. So this is a fan favorite for me. Fan favorite. Let's check out this Pokemon playing mat. Here are the 7 booster packs. 5 are from Unified Minds, and 2 are from Cosmic Eclipse. They are all from the Sun and Moon series. Let's start with the Unified booster packs because there's more of them. Alright, here's the first Unified Mind booster pack. Yon Mega number 469. His 2 attacks are Tackle and Air Slash. Ear Ringing Bell. Blaine's Quiz Show. This is a trainer's card and a supporter. Axew number 610. Finneon number 456. Stunfisk number 618. And watch out for his Trapple Gibble number 443. Gibble likes to stampede and headbutt bounce. Lickitung number 108. And I wouldn't want to be slapped with that tongue. And it looks like I got a reverse holo bug catcher. And a Latias. An energy card. Alright, YouTube, here's the second pack. Hapu. This is a trainer's card. Look at the 6 cards in your deck and put 2 of them into your hand. Discard the other cards. Magneton, number 82. Sableye, number 302. Magnemite, number 81. Fletchling, Onyx, number 95. His attack is Bedrock Press. Fletchender, number 662. And his main attack is Flame Charge. Slover, number 469. Powder Snow. Now that's a good move right there. Greater Potion. This is an item trainer card. Deal 50 damage from your active Pokemon. GX. And that's good because we got the Garchomp and Giratina GX. And their main attacks are Linear Attack and Calamitous Slash. And his final move is GG End. And you know what that means. Here is the third booster pack, and it has Mewtwo and Mew on there. Oh, I hope I get a Mewtwo. Oranguru, number 765. Weakness Guard Energy. Stadium Nav. This is an item trainer card. Dwebble, number 557. Mana, number 517. And here is the adorable Pikachu, number 25. And his attribute is Mealtime. And this Pikachu's main attack is Gnaw. Bidoof, number 399. His 2 attacks are Tackle and Hyper Fang. Cosmog, number 789. And he'll splash on you. Talonflames. Number 663. His 2 attacks are Heat Wave and Flare Raid. And this non-holo is Medicham. Number 308. Pyroar. Number 668. Hakamo'o. Number 783. Rotom. Number 479. Rufflet. Number 627. Piplup. Number 393. Vulpix. Alolan. Number 37. Rock Ruff. Number 744. Stuffle. Number 759. And we just pulled a Coughing Reverse Holo with the ability Blow Away Bomb, and his main attack is Poison Gas. He likes his beans, Sil Valley GX, with the ability Disc Reload, a minor attack called Brave Buddies, and his main attack Silver Knight GX. Basculin, number 550. His 2 moves are Swamping Bite and Tackle Munchlax, number 466. This trainer card is called Reset Stamp. Grimer. Alohan, number 88. He can collect and he likes to play Sludge Ball. Kara Blast, number 588. Fletchling, number 661. Hone Edge, number 679. Pikachu, number 25. And this Pikachu's 2 attacks are Tail Whap and Electric Ball. Elgam, number 605, with the attack Psych Beam. And a non-holo Salazzle, number 748. Here's the second Cosmic Eclipse booster pack. Let's see if I got a Blastoise. Mimikyu, number 778. He likes to impersonate with his mischief hands. And this trainer item is called Lily's Poké Doll. Togedemaru, number 777. When he's in trouble, he can call for family, and there's always a random spark. Pawniard, number 624. His main ability is Bag Slash. Lit Leo, number 667. Here's a common coughing. We just saw it, so let's move along. Nose Pass, number 299. Snow Runt, Togedemaru, number 777. And this is a reverse holo. Glade, number 475. This is a holographic with the ability Double Type and the attack Power Cyclone. Now here's the last pack of the Unified Minds. Swadloon, with the ability Swatting Leaves, and watch out for that Bug Bite. Why not? Number 360, with the ability Peppy Pick. Arkin, number 566. Noibat, number 714. Sneasely, number 215. Bounce Sweet, number 761. Joltik, number 595. And it's written in his name. He likes to jolt Salandit, number 757. We got a Why Not earlier, and here is the reverse holo. A reverse holo Why Not? Oh! Yo! This was dope! Aerodactyl GX. Oh man. Yes. Alright YouTube, well that's all the booster packs I have for you today. If you thought this video was dope and you want to see more Pokemon booster unboxings, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can get notified when I upload my next Pokemon booster unboxing. I'm sorry about the beginning of this post. I had to shoot part of the video 4 times just to get the right angle for you, YouTube. And since the camera was behind me, I plugged my camera into the computer. But I thought it was recording from the camera, but instead it was just capturing the screen. So that's why there's the box there. I appreciate for you for watching and sticking through all that, and I'll fix it for next time, alright? Thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you next week. Oh, but hold up. If you made it this far, here are all the codes from the booster packs. So first come, first serve. And if you didn't catch last week's episode, I'm throwing a giveaway. Wonder Woman and Kaguya. Shared NYCCs 2020. And the next one is recommended to you from YouTube. Peace.